Alright, this is a quick video to show you when your machine is making this kind of sound, what you want to do is tighten up the brake a little bit. When this brake is loose, it lets those clutch rolls engage just a little bit. And generally you can tell if you just reach this and pull it forward a little bit. To tighten the brake, you'll start tightening here. Sometimes you may have to loosen this one, but most of the time you can just start tightening here just a little bit and then make one attachment. And if the sound goes away after one attachment, then go ahead and tighten this one back up without the bolt moving, and the machine will be fine.